Trigonometry, Lesson 15. Allied angles of theta. Today the lesson is the allied angles at 360 plus or minus theta. Consider a circle of radius r units whose center is the origin of the coordinate axis. That is, the center of the circle and the origin of the coordinate axis are same. Consider a sector OOAP of this circle whose central angle is theta. Whose central angle is theta. Let this is the first position of the sector. Here the edge OA of the sector is along with x-axis. Therefore, the angle made by OA with x-axis is 0 degrees. OP is another edge which is at an angle of theta degrees because the central angle is theta. Let the coordinates of point P are x coordinate is x and y coordinate say y. Since the point P lies in the first quadrant, the x coordinate is positive and the y coordinate is positive. Now, the ray OP makes an angle theta at the center. The ray OA makes the angle 0 degrees with x-axis. Today, we are going to learn the allied angles of 360 plus theta, 360 degrees plus theta, 360 minus theta. Therefore, rotate this sector through an angle 360 degrees. 360 degrees means one complete rotation, one complete revolution of the sector. Here, an identical sector is here. Place the sector on OAP and test for identity. The edges of the sector coincides with the sector on the board. Therefore, these two are identical. The angle theta, this is also angle theta. Here, two sticks are attached at the edges of the sector. These sticks represent the rays. OP ray, OA ray. This ray is at 0 degrees and this ray is at theta angle. At theta. This is since this is theta, this ray is at theta. Now, rotate this sector through an angle 360 degrees for complete one revolution. Let us rotate. For one complete rotation of the sector, means this is the one complete rotation. One complete rotation of the sector means the ray at OA, the ray OA, for one complete rotation of the sector means the ray OA at 0 degrees after rotation retains its position. Since the angle around the point is 360, due to rotation of 360 degrees, the ray OA retain itself, retain its position, and OP also retain its position. Let us see. The ray OA retain its position and OP also retain its position. Therefore, due to rotation of 360 degrees, the complete sector retains its position. That is, the position of P does not change. Therefore, the coordinates in the quadrant 1 does not change. So, the P point, since the P point again enters into Q1, the coordinates of P does not change. They remain as it is. So, the P point is at an angle of this complete 360 degrees plus this theta. Therefore, this is at an angle of 360 degrees plus theta. Now, P is at an angle of 360 degrees plus theta. Therefore, for this point, Pxy at 360 degrees plus theta, the trigonometrical ratios of 360 plus theta does not change. Therefore, the trigonometrical ratios at theta angle here written are same as the trigonometrical ratios of 360 degrees plus theta. So here sin 360 degrees plus theta equal to sin theta, cos 360 degrees plus theta equal to cos theta, and so on. Now, place the sector like this. Now, invert the sector about x-axis. The point P, due to inversion, enters into Q4 from Q1. In Q4, we know that the x coordinate is positive and y coordinate negative. W is the image of P. The coordinates x and y also remains as it is, but the y coordinate is towards negative direction. Therefore, the y coordinate only changes its sign. Therefore, the coordinates of W are x comma minus y. OW ray is at an angle 360 minus theta because the complete angle, this one is 360 and this is theta angle. The remaining angle after subtract this theta 360 up to this the remaining angle, this is 360 degrees minus theta. Therefore, this represents 360 minus theta. Let us write the trigonometrical ratios at this angle. The point here is W x comma minus y. Point is W x comma minus y are the coordinates at 360 degrees minus theta. The angle made by this ray is at 360 degrees minus theta. Therefore, for this, write the trigonometrical ratios. Sin 360 minus theta equal to, the definition of sin is y coordinate by r. Here the y coordinate is minus y. Therefore, minus y by r. R is always positive because it is the radius of the circle. Therefore, R is always positive. This equal to minus of y by r. Y by r is sin theta. Therefore, this is minus sin theta. Next, cos 360 minus theta. X coordinate by r. X coordinate is, the x coordinate of point W is x by r. But x by r is cos theta. Therefore, this is cos theta. Tan 360 minus theta. Y coordinate by x coordinate. Y coordinate here is minus y by x coordinate plus x. This equal to minus of y by x, but y by x is tan theta. Therefore, this is minus tan theta. Cot 360 minus theta degrees equal to x coordinate by y coordinate. Therefore, x by minus y. This also equal to minus of x by y. This equal to, but x by y equal cot theta. X by y is cot theta. Therefore, this is minus cot theta. Sec 360 minus theta. Sec 360 minus theta is x coordinate r by x coordinate. X coordinate is positive. Therefore, r by x. But r by x is sec theta. This is sec theta. Cosec 360 minus theta is r by y coordinate, but y coordinate is negative. Therefore, this is r by minus of r by y, but r by y is cosec theta. Therefore, this is minus cosec theta. Thus, the trigonometrical ratios of sin 360 plus theta remains as the trigonometrical ratios of sin theta. There is no change to the trigonometrical ratios at theta degrees and at 360 plus theta degrees. But the trigonometrical ratios of sin 360 minus theta are minus sin theta, cos 360 minus theta, cos theta, tan 360 degrees minus theta, minus tan theta, cot 360 minus theta, minus cot theta, sec 360 minus theta, minus sec theta, cosec 360 minus theta, minus cosec theta are derived.